OBS Studio Review Usage Experience. In this video, we're reviewing OBS Studio, one of the most powerful and free open source solutions for screen recording and live streaming. Links to the product are added in the description below. Whether you're a content creator, gamer, educator, or business professional, OBS Studio offers a robust set of features for high-quality video production without the cost of premium software. OBS Studio stands out for its flexibility and customization. It supports high-definition recording and streaming, allowing you to capture your screen, webcam, and audio sources simultaneously. It's compatible with Windows, macOS, and Linux, making it accessible to a wide range of users. The multi-source capture feature allows you to combine different elements like gameplay, presentation slides, and overlays in real time, making it perfect for Twitch streamers, YouTubers, and virtual event hosts. One of OBS Studio's best features is its scene and source system, which lets you create multiple layouts and switch between them effortlessly. You can add images, videos, text, browser windows, and audio sources into different scenes, making it highly customizable for professional-looking productions. The Studio mode allows you to preview scenes before switching, ensuring seamless transitions during live streams. OBS Studio is also known for its powerful encoding settings, supporting 8264 and NVENC for optimized performance. You can record at 1080p or even 4K at high bit rates while maintaining smooth playback. The software integrates directly with Twitch, YouTube, Facebook Live, and other streaming platforms, making it a go-to choice for broadcasters. However, OBS Studio has a learning curve. While it offers advanced control, beginners might find the interface overwhelming at first. Unlike simpler screen recording tools, OBS requires manual setup of sources, overlays, and audio settings. But once configured, it provides unmatched control over your recordings and streams. Another consideration is CPU usage. OBS can be demanding on lower-end PCs, so optimizing settings is important for smooth performance. Overall, OBS Studio is an industry-standard tool for streaming and recording, offering professional-grade features without any cost. If you need a powerful, customizable, and high-quality recording and streaming software, OBS Studio is one of the best choices available. Check out the links in the description to download and start using it today.